Hello everyone, this is Amanpreet Kaur from Guru Nanak Dev University and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we're going to talk about loss of nationality. So earlier we have discussed about acquisition of nationality. So let's start with the topic. So first of all, we also know the loss of nationality as a condition or a situation wherein a citizen stops or ceases to be a lawful citizen of the country. So this term is an umbrella shelter for both. So there comes the voluntary loss of citizenship. So it means relinquishing one's nationality. The prime focus here is on the voluntary part. So it is by the choice of the citizen. So almost all the countries have set up their own set of rules for the formal relinquishment of their citizenship. There are countries which do not allow that as well. They tend to trap their nationals in an endless loop of administrative red tapeism. Then comes involuntary loss of citizenship. In this case, the citizen don't want to lose his citizenship, but he is required to do so by the set of rules which may vary from state to state. So states have certain provisions regarding nationality. If a citizen fails to adhere to these, then his or her citizenship can be cancelled. It can happen due to a lot of things like someone failing to uh, retain their citizenship. However, involuntarily losing one's citizenship is not immediate. It has to undergo a series of actions to revoke someone's citizenship. So then comes by release. So in this, some states give their citizen right to ask to be released from their nationality. Release occurs only when an application is made to that effect and same has been accepted by the concerned state. Then comes by deprivation. So in this case, certain states have framed some municipal laws, the breach of which by its nationals result in the deprivation of their nationality. So under the American laws, service in the armed forces of a foreign state also results in deprivation of citizenship. So it also may vary from state to state, and in this regard, a person or a citizen may deprive from his citizenship of that particular state to which he belongs. So then comes the renunciation of nationality. So it refers to the voluntary act by virtue of which an individual can relinquish one's nationality. So it simply means to give up or to let go his or to withdraw from his citizenship. Then most countries do provide their citizens with this right, and it again may vary from place to place or state to state. There can be a lot of reasons for people to renounce their citizenship. It can be due to economic conditions or environmental conditions or the safety reasons or any other reasons. So Indian Citizenship Act on the loss of nationality. So under this section 10 of the Citizenship Act 1955 talks about the deprivation of citizenship. So this article states that any Indian citizen by naturalization or by the virtue of Article 5 of the Constitution or by registration under any other circumstances other than Clause B may ask for the loss of nationality or may have the nationality be lost according to that provisions. So then comes the loss of nationality by substitution. So in this case, some states have the provisions of providing and taking away the nationality on the basis of substitution. So this happens when an individual loses the nationality of one state or his nation and is able to attain the citizenship of another state. So different states have different protocols regarding that. Some states will cancel your citizenship if you acquire a job in the foreign nation without following the government sections or any other conditions are not fulfilled which are in the protocol of that particular nation. So then comes loss of nationality by expiration. So this does not exactly refer to the loss of nationality because it is more emotional rather than political. So your one's citizenship might expire when you stay in a foreign nation for too long. So then comes by expatriation. So in this, an expatriate refers to a person who is residing in any other country rather than his native country. So expatriation is a voluntary right which a citizen of a country can exercise on the basis of his discretion if required. So it means basically renouncing the nationality and allegiance of a country without any constitutional consequences. Generally, this term refers to the professional and skilled working class, that is for private entities or government organizations or even artisans who work outside their homeland. So the main theme here is that it is voluntary and the decision rests on the conscience of the citizen. So this was all about loss of nationality. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up on this video and also check out the previous videos too. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel next click. And this does not solicit any promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India. It is for education purpose only. Thank you.